Hi everyone, I'm telling Elon Musk's story. I'm Nasim, but I'll speak as Elon. Hello, my name is Elon Musk. I am 53 years old. I was born in South Africa. My full name is Elon Reeve Musk. I was born on June 28, 1971. My city was Pretoria. My father was an engineer. My mother was a model and diet expert. They worked a lot. As a child, I was very quiet. I loved books more than games. I liked to be alone. I read for many hours every day. My favorite book was about space. I loved science fiction. I got my first computer at age 10. It was called the Commodore VIC-20. I taught myself how to code. At age 12, I made a game called Blaster. It was about spaceships and lasers. I sold it for $500. Kids at the school didn't like me. They bullied me. Sometimes I was very sad. But I didn't stop learning. I had big dreams. I wanted to build things. At 17, I moved to Canada. I studied at Queen's University. Then I went to the USA. In the US, I studied at the University of Pennsylvania. I studied physics and business. I wanted to change the world. After college, I made a company called Zip2. It helped newspapers go online. We sold it for $307 million. Then I made X.com. It helped people send money online. Later, it became PayPal. I sold PayPal to eBay. I got a lot of money, but I didn't stop. I started SpaceX in 2002. I wanted to go to space. People said I was crazy. The first rockets failed. People laughed at me, but I kept trying. In 2008, the rocket worked. It went to space. I was so happy. Today, SpaceX sends rockets to space. It sends food and people too. One day, we will go to Mars. In 2004, I joined Tesla. Tesla makes electric cars. They are fast and clean. At first, people didn't trust Tesla, but I believed in it. Now, many people love Tesla cars. Tesla is not just a car company, it's also about clean energy. We want to save the earth. I started Solar City too. It gives people solar power. Sunlight becomes electricity. I made a company called Neuralink. It connects the brain to machines. It can help people walk again. I started the Boring Company. It digs tunnels under cities. Tunnels help with traffic. In 2022, I bought Twitter. I changed its name to X. I want it to be powerful. I also started XAI. I want AI to help people, not hurt them. I work every day. I sleep very little, only 5 or 6 hours. I am always thinking about the future, thinking about Earth and Mars. I have 11 children. I love them all. I want a good future for them. Some people say I'm too busy. Some say I'm strange, but I believed in my work. People said you will fail, but I didn't stop. I kept going. Sometimes I felt tired. Sometimes I cried, but I never gave up. Now many people follow me. They like my ideas. They like my companies. My dream is big. I want humans to live on Mars. I want Earth to be clean. I love rockets. I love cars. I love helping people. Money is not my goal. My goal is the future. For you, for me, for everyone. I want you to dream big too. Don't be afraid. You can do great things. I am just a man with ideas. You can be one too. Work hard. Never give up. My name is Elon Musk. This is my life story. Thank you for listening. If you like this story, don't forget to like and subscribe.